Screencast videos. Listen, we get requests all the time. People sign up at Task Bullet. They say, okay, I'm ready to get started. I'm gung-ho. I'm going to start delegating some of my work so that I can focus on the business and not work here and just put out fires all day. So where do I need to start? And I'm always like, well, do you have processes? Oh, I mean, I know what to do. That's great. I'm glad you know how to run your business. But the assistant you're about to hire doesn't know how to run your business. So do you have any SOPs at all? I mean, I know the sites to go to too. No, let me tell you. Now you don't have to go create all this stuff. I'm not gonna make this job hard on you, okay? This is very, very simple. If you don't have all the SOPs in place, you don't have the process, the videos, it's okay. You can get around this, and it's actually pretty easy. This is really best practice. After you sign up at Task Bullet, you get your VA assigned based on your needs, okay? And you also have the manager's delegate. It's awesome. Check it out, taskbullet.com. So now you're working directly with your VA, and you need to start assigning your first task, like processing the order or something, or managing the emails, whatever it might be. You actually get them on a call, and you're working directly with them. Have them, you don't do it, just tell them, right? They're your assistant. Record this lesson. They record the call, Skype, Slack, whatever, right? So they are recording the call, and you are actually doing the task. Well, I go to this page, and I click here, and I do this, and I put this in our, oh, you know what? You're gonna need access to this system. Okay, to do. And you tell them, hey, write that on my to-dos. Remember, you have an assistant. Tell them to write that on your to-dos. Okay, I need to do this. Click on this. Oh man, that's right. If a customer falls within this category, it's all good. Push it out, attach this email, send it, we're good. But about 4% of the time, a customer's gonna fall in this category. If they do not match up here, here, or here, you've got to send that up to me, because my brain needs to look at that one, and I don't have time to train you on 4% of my customers. But the other 96%, with the basic rules I've set up for what a customer category falls in, you got that. So you're recording this, right? And as you're doing this task, now they have a training. So you've set up, these are the rules on the 94% or 96%. These are the rules on the 4, upgraded to me. So now you're dealing with 4% of your customer requests, and the other 96 are being done by a virtual assistant. Now, the VA has this. You say, okay, here's the task, we're done. They may not have it all, they memorize it, but you made a video, or they did for you. They save the video, okay? They have that to reference every time they do the job. They go back to the video and they learn it. So you're not answering dumb questions because it's all on the video. Now, there may still be some questions that come through on things that maybe you forgot to address, but almost all of it is in the video. Now, let's say you want to expand. Hey, Task Bullet, I need another virtual assistant because now we're blowing up and I got to expand. We're trying to scale this thing. Great. We not only have a VA that knows it, we have a manager on staff that knows it, we also have the training video. So the new VA gets assigned, can watch the training video just like your first assistant did, same video. Now they're caught up most of the way. The little questions, they'll hit your other VA up that already knows everything. Bam, you now have 2 VAs trained on the process. You didn't have to do it more than once. We will save the video for you. It's your meeting, but it's saved in your account to help. Let's say your VA goes MIA. It happens. Anyone that's worked with a virtual employee, as much as it's a problem and we hate it does happen. I don't care where you go, it's going to happen, and it sucks. Our management staff and infrastructure actually reduces it quite a bit and also gives you a warning when it happens. So we handle it better than anyone I've seen. There might be someone else, well, I doubt it. So if that happens, then we can assign another VA to come in, watch the video, work with the manager, and they're doing the tasks. Okay, you don't need to overcomplicate it. Get a virtual assistant. Go with a company, because Task Bullet and probably some others, but really just taskbullet.com, they have it all figured out. They're going to help onboard. They're going to assign the right VA. They'll help record it. And then there's also a lot of infrastructure to make sure that VA is working and doing the job correctly. So hire that VA. They're now working with you. We'll do the rest of the back end and handle all the HR, paid time off, HMO. Yeah, you should start a VA company. It's awesome.